Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys this super quick and super easy candy yams recipe. The cook time for these yams are about an hour and a half, but the prep is very minimal. So just stay tuned guys and I'll show you everything you need to make these candy yams. Alright guys, so we're just going to start off with these garnet yams, or large sweet potatoes some people might call them. The first thing you want to do is rinse them off and then you're going to peel them. Once you're done peeling your yams, you're going to start at the end and you're just going to slice them right down. This is what you want your yams to look like after you are done slicing them or cutting them. I'm now going to use a clean aluminum foil pan and I'm going to begin to lay my yams out. So I have my yams still on my cutting board. I'm just going to pick them up and lay them out flat on the pan. Alright, so there you have it. All of the sweet potatoes are laid out on the pan nice and evenly. Now it's time for us to get started on the sauce. So what I'm doing right now is melting one stick, which is 8 tablespoons of butter. And once that's melted down a little bit, I add another half a stick. Now we're going to go in with our sugar. So I have a half a cup of brown sugar and a half a cup of white granulated sugar. Next, we are going to add about a tablespoon of cinnamon. Now I'm just going to mix this all together until everything is nice and smooth. So once everything was melted all together, I added a bit more cinnamon, and my texture was not as thick as I would have liked it to be. So I did go in with another half a cup of brown sugar, and then I just mixed everything all together once again until it was smoothly blended. Now it is time for us to start to pour the sauce over top of our sweet potatoes. So I'm just going to try to pour it as evenly as possible. Once I poured all of the sauce on evenly, I'm going to go ahead and cover this aluminum foil pan with aluminum foil. And then I'm going to place it in the oven for about 45 minutes. You'll want to preheat your oven for 375. After 45 minutes, I like to take my candy yams out of the oven and just baste them. So what that means is just take the sauce that has already started to caramelize, take it from the bottom and just pour it right over top of each of the yams. I'm going to go ahead and pop them back in the oven for another 45 minutes. Alright guys, so this is what you want your yams to look like after they have been placed in the oven for the second time. So now the final step is just basting them one last time. But this time when you place them back in the oven, you're not going to cover the pan. So I'm just going to baste them, make sure that I am transferring the liquid throughout the potatoes, and then I'm going to place them back in the oven uncovered for about another 20 minutes or so. Alright guys, there you have it, candy yams from scratch. Extremely easy, although the cook time is about an hour and a half. Like I said, the prep time is minimal, so it's really not that big of a deal. Let me know how you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to drop a comment down below, guys.